Y'all check out these blackbirds. There's some big old blackbirds. Big old fat things. Look at that thing. Look like a dang chicken. Sitting there eating with a square. Hopping along. Damn, they're big. Look at him bouncing. They know how to fly. I throw them bread out in the yard every now and then. Excuse me. And they take it, break it up, and they take it and they go across the ditch and bury it in the dirt. I didn't know that. Then they come back for it later. I don't know if you can hear them or not. There's some big old birds, dude. Look at him compared to that squirrel. Pretty little bird. Okay, that's gonna do it for this one, y'all. Make sure you hit that like button.